Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm at Glenview Station in Glenview, Illinois. Metro train's coming down there in just like a minute. I'll catch you guys when the train gets here. Okay guys, the train's arriving. You see down there. There's the train. Oh, SC70 Mech. Which number we got? Oh my god, guys. I hope it's a double cab car. It better be. It better. It better. It better. This better be a double header cab car. Okay guys, I'm gonna see the cab car. Okay guys, we have the cab car. Oh, Vinny, look. Okay guys, that's the end of this. Actually, no, sorry. This isn't the end of the video, guys. I'll see the Hiawatha coming in just a few minutes. Okay guys, the Hiawatha's arriving. 2 SC44 Chargers. Wow. Wait, I think there's a P42 DC on the back. Oh my god, nice engine. Honk the horn, man. You know you want to do it. Yeah! Yeah. Alright, let's go to see the engine. Okay, guys. I think the train's departing. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Honk the horn. Oh, man. There's a P42 on the back. Yeah, there's a P42 on the back. Oh, there's the P42. Alright guys, there goes the Hiawatha. Bye. Right, the next time we see this is going to be the Empire Builder. Okay, guys, Empire Builder's arriving. I'm sorry I couldn't. Oh, sweet. train's departing. Okay, guys, I think the train's departing. Honk your horn! Okay, he's definitely departed. Oh yeah! Honk your horn! Is the train stopping again? Okay, I'll catch you guys when the train's start. Okay guys, the train's actually departing now. Took a long time. It's pretty delayed at Glenview. Nice train. There's a sightseer lounge. Oh guys, the inbound metro's coming. That's the end of this video. Actually, no, it's not the end of this video because there's a Hiawatha train coming. Okay, guys, the Hiawatha's arriving. It's going pretty slow. Honk it. Honk it. Alright guys, I'll catch you when the train's departed. Okay guys, the train's departed. Honk it. There's the SC44 Charger at the back. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Peace out.